Hello again, Rob Sarmanian with Oakson, and we are on Craigville Beach, Barnstable, Massachusetts, the village of Centerville. And today we're building a Perc-Rite Drip Dispersal system on a very tight lot, mostly surrounded by water, which is going to bring several challenges, but we're up for it. Are you? Let's go build the Perc-Rite Drip Dispersal system. Hello again, it's Rob Sarmanian from Oakson, and today we are in Barnstable, Massachusetts, which is a part of Cape Cod. More specifically, we are in the village of Centerville, right alongside Craigville Beach, and as you can see, we are right on the canal that opens up into the ocean. And today we're working on a Perc-Rite Drip Dispersal system that's at a home under renovation. And as you can see, we don't have a lot of real estate to work with here. So typically our septic system is installed in the backyard or the side yard, but our backyard is the canal. The front of the house sits on the main road, and we're building the drip field literally in the front yard, steps from the front door. So Craigville Beach is right down the street this way. And here is our home. As you can see, the drip system is located right in front of the front door. The tanks are in between the drip system and the front of the home. Not a lot of room to work with. Keeping the system as low profile as possible is the key here. Otherwise, our owners will be walking out the front door, hopping up a few steps, climbing over a mound before they get to their driveway. So the end result is a very well blended in system, and the neighbors won't even know where it is. Well, that's a wrap here from Cape Cod. As you can see, the system looks great in the front yard. The owner will have many great years of enjoyment without having to climb up a hill out the front door of their home. And we'll catch you on the next Perc-Rite Drip Dispersal installation. Take care.